Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be making some seasoning. The ingredients that I'm gonna be using for this video are bell pepper, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, parsley, green onion, a little bit of olive oil, and some cubes for flavor. I like using different colors of bell pepper just because of the color. For me, it's beautiful and it's gonna make it less green at the end. So you can use one or two colors if you want to. You don't have to use all four. It's just me that use different colors. So basically what I'm doing right now, I'm preparing the ingredients so I can blend them. I'm cutting them, cleaning them so I can blend them. So I cut them this small because of the blender I'm going to be using. So I want to make it easy on the blade. So I cut them small pieces, but you're free to cut them as big or small as you want. So I'm going to let you enjoy this part of the video. If you find it useful, please give me a like, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and